Now, that's it for this job. Eh? The truck driver is gonna operate a little bit himself. See, that's his truck over there. Never give you a shot of that. Eh? We can zoom in on him. Do that later. You know, I needed to sell Black Knight, so I'm gonna be here on the Honda Magna. Eh? The weather has been very nice, so I don't mind that. Eh? Very fast bike. Don't take me too long to get to the job. Eh? Now, see, we can zoom in on the truck for you. See, same kind of trucks they had at the Koremans company. Hammerhands, tractor trailer. Eh? Really good. Very powerful. Okay. Oh, nou ja.